Flamingo Laundry. Okay, so we found it. We found it, people. Don't worry, we found it. Hello guys! We are in Kuala Lumpur still. Today we're actually going on kind of an adventure somewhere. One that hopefully will bring us a place to do laundry.
And Petaling Street Market.
So we're going to Petaling Street Market. Asher's not going to get run over. Asher again is the navigator, which is interesting. Yay! We'll see. So we'll see where we end up. Petaling Street Market, and then we might go then to Petronas Towers. Those ones over there, the famous twin towers of Kuala Lumpur. But yeah, for now, walking. We were thinking about catching a bus. We were thinking about catching something or something else. I've just been on a big long run today already that direction, where there's not too much to talk about, to be honest, just roads and buildings and cars and things. Gosh, not sure how these walkie things work. Do you just walk, or do you just, so it's in Indonesia, you just walk and then they go around you, but it's a lot of cars, you know. Okay, so cars don't stop for you. What are those crossings there for then? Don't know. So yeah, we're heading in that direction. It's kind of what? South, right? Asha? Yeah, we're going south of our place. Yeah, gonna go to the market. I think it's kind of like a bits and pieces market, all sorts of stuff market. But I guess we'll find out when we get there. Gonna try and get some lunch there somewhere, because we're getting hungry. Someone's getting hangry. Someone's getting hangry.
Maybe we check maybe they have food or not like that.
She's just been waiting for me to finish my run and stop sweating. Now she's hungry.
Yeah, I just feel like having something small. But
Maybe that, yeah. There's little things over there. But it'll be the same as I think that over there.
like deep fried.
Yeah, it'll be deep fried stuff.
I just wouldn't mind like this triangle, but the triangle yesterday we had from the Chinese lady was quite weird. There's a lot of not garlic, but the other one, ginger. But then the meat was minced and the rice was sticky, and it all was kind of too much flavor, so like didn't work.
I mean, it was very strong. I actually had one mouthful and couldn't do it. But I think she made the mistake of putting it in the fridge, which kind of made it go a bit harder than it should have been, and cold as well, which
And cold.
the coldness like even made me shiver a little bit. But yeah, I ate it, you know. But yeah, so we're kind of heading for food. Asha needs a snack as soon as she can, otherwise she might bite me or something.
That's not true.
But yeah, we're heading this direction. I've just walked through like this area here, which seems to be all like gold jewelry, you know, jewels, gems, etc. Like loads of things. There's even a guy back there I didn't film for obvious reasons, or for an obvious reason I'm about to tell you, which was he had this big massive gun, like an MP5 or something like that, standing outside like the jewelry shop, obviously to stop baddies. Oh, but then there's this market here, quite cool, kind of like an Indian market. So you definitely get a sense here of like multiculturalism. You know, like Indian mixed with Chinese, mixed with Malaysian. Well, yeah, this bit reminds me a bit of like Whitechapel or something. Bit Whitechapel-y. Okay, I should stop at a shop. Uh-oh. Stopped at a shopping shop, clothing shop right now.
Really nice.
Dangerous. This building here behind me, it looks like all that at least. Looks a bit colonial in a way. Not sure what it is or how old it is or why it is or what it was. I just got that feeling that like this is kind of semi from colonial era. Here's the monorail over the top. Here's Asha taking a photo. The mosque just here. The car. Oh, it is hot. Speaking of hot, I went and got a drink. Well, in a dark chocolate. Asha's just in there getting some cash out. But yeah, green tea and dark chocolate Hershey's. So I'm kind of, I don't know, craving dark chocolate for some reason. Maybe I need more magnesium in my life. I'm taking magnesium supplements now. You know, just from I guess dehydration and stuff. You start getting cramps, losing like minerals, etc. Now taking magnesium supplements. But dark chocolate has it in it as well, and the green tea is just because. These cost $7.20 ringgit, so like £1.50, something like this. Not much for this end is. Yeah. Still waiting for Russia to do her thing. Not sure what's happened over there. She seems to be at a different ATM. So we'll just wait and see. And I'll eat this and I'll drink that. And everything will be okay, yes. Okay guys, we're kind of in, I think like the start, at least, of Chinatown. Chinatown is a bit further, it's quite a lot further, but yeah, this looks like part of Chinatown. It even says Chinatown Boutique over there. So I imagine we're in part of Chinatown. There's quite a lot of good cool graffiti and street art around again. Some over on that building up there. Whew, it is hot. It's about 34 degrees. I think that's kind of in the sun, 34 degrees. So we're just looking for the laundry service people first. Apparently I just found one that's kind of like part of a hostel. So kind of strange, I guess, where we were staying. Everybody does their own laundry, right? I guess we've just been always in places that are a bit more touristic, like for the tourists. So this is the market we're going to. Yeah, that looks like a market. So we're going to come back to this for some lunch. But yeah, like I was saying, there's laundry services. There's a sign there. Up there. That's it, or that's not it? Wow. What is this stuff? So yeah, because we've been staying generally in touristic areas, i.e. the whole of Bali, more or less, there's always laundry services everywhere, so it's pretty easy. Whereas here, Longestine, I think. Longestine. Hello. Yeah, we've had laundry services all around everywhere, like literally 5 on a street. Whereas strange enough here, I guess because it's a big city, and perhaps the area we were in wasn't really the tourist area. There's another laundry service there. Flamingo Laundry. Okay, so we found it. We found it, people, don't worry. We found it. They've also got internet and a printer if you need it. Down here in some part of Chinatown. Yeah, we're just going to go in. I'll let you know how much it is. Hopefully it's not too expensive. I shall let you know. 1 second, stand by. Hello. Hello. Okay, yeah, so as you see, it's part of a guest house. But we can all use it. And put a mask on. Mask on, mask on. Seems like the general situation is you have to wear masks inside generally, and people do. Okay, dark. Bye. Here's the laundry service here. Let you know how much it is. Okay. Okay guys, so yeah, it's down here. I don't exactly know the address. I guess when I do the edit of this, maybe I'll put the address either down the bottom or in the description. I did take a photo of the guy's phone number, but maybe I won't share that on social. But yeah, it was 6 ringgit a kilo. I think mine cost 15 ringgit. That's about right. 2, 3, yeah, usually about 3 kilos, man, depending on. So now we're in some part of Chinatown, I would say. I'm just not sure if it's Chinatown. But
I am sure it's not.
she's sure it's not Chinatown, even though it says Chinatown. Backpack is Chinatown. Okay, what's this place called again?
Petaling Street Market.
Petaling Street Market. So this is what we're looking at. Loads of stuff, elephants and things. Little things.